Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer calendar events from Exchange to Google Calendar, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring calendar events from Exchange to Google Calendar, the first step is to sign in to your Exchange account. Open Outlook or the web version of Exchange to access your calendar. Next, select the calendar that contains the events you want to transfer. Once you're viewing the calendar, look for the option to export or save your calendar. In Outlook, this is usually found under the File menu. Choose Save Calendar or Export depending on your version. If prompted, select the date range for the events you wish to transfer. For best results, choose to include details such as subject, location, and description. Save the exported file in an accessible folder on your computer. The file format should typically be in .ics file, which is compatible with Google Calendar. Now, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Sign in with your Google account if you aren't already logged in. On the left side of the Google Calendar interface, find Other Calendars. Click on the plus sign next to it to add a new calendar. In the drop-down menu, select Import. A new window will open, prompting you to upload a file. Click Select File from your computer and navigate to the folder where you saved the .ics file. Once you've selected the file, choose the calendar you want to import the events into. Click the Import button to start the transfer process. After the process is complete, refresh your Google Calendar to see the newly added events. If necessary, make any changes or adjustments to the events in Google Calendar. Your calendar events from Exchange are now successfully transferred to Google Calendar. This method allows for an easy transition between platforms without losing important calendar information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.